Hi there guys, I didn't see you there. So we were planning on buying something, except we're gonna have lunch first. So we're at McDonald's, so we're gonna go eat something. So see you when we get into the restaurant. Come on, let's go.
You didn't order rice?
Of course I will. Medium rice. Medium rice. Add to order.
How about drink?
Wrong.
Cancel. Mineral water.
Add to order.
Okay, now you can wait me.
Wait, just one more.
One more?
One more item.
What is that?
That's like Oreo.
Okay.
Add to order.
Okay then. Finish?
Yep.
Okay, you go back to your seat. Mommy will finish.
Done.
Not yet. Daddy and Mama is not yet.
Oop, back.
Okay. Bye.
Hi there guys. So the food's already here. This is my tray.
Okay, what do you get for lunch today?
Chicken nuggets, fries, a McFlurry.
And mineral water.
Yep.
Okay.
Now time to wash my hands.
Okay, see you.
Hi again guys. So now we're on the way to the mall again.
How about your lunch?
Yummy.
Done?
Yep.
Oh, you
check up there. I'll check down here.
Nothing up there.
How about here up there?
It's all Play-Doh.
Is it all Play-Doh?
Yeah.
How about this?
Let's go for another section. How about here?
And there's myself.
Ah.
Yes! A Rubik's Cube! We found! We found the Rubik's Cube!
Are you sure that's the right Rubik cubes?
Of course it is! You see, it's Rubik's Cube. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
Come on, let's go to the checkout and buy it!
How about the books?
One item at a time, remember in the start of the video?
Okay.
Okay guys, we got the Rubik's Cube now. Hi again guys, so now we bought the Rubik's Cube. So now that we have the Rubik's Cube, let's stop somewhere and unbox this and play with it. Come on, let's go. Hi again guys, so now we are at the place. My mom requested this place, so we went there. So now it's time to unbox the Rubik's Cube. Okay, here is the Rubik's Cube. Yes, yes. Now it's time to unbox it. Unbox this thing. Pretty hard. Hi again guys, so thanks to my dad, we were able to open the casing of the Rubik's Cube. So now it's time to scramble. Oop.
Do you know how to play?
Yes.
How?
Basically you need to scramble the Rubik's Cube, and then afterwards you have to solve it into each tile is just one color. Okay, I'm a scramble. Now it's completely randomized. Now it's time to solve.
Okay, while you are doing that, where are we actually?
We're actually in an ice cream place.
Okay.
This is super hard. I think I'm just scrambling it even harder. I've never touched the Rubik's Cube in like years.
Really?
Yes, the last time I played it, it's been super long. but when I do at home, I will make a video about it. Okay, so bye bye, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.